In this video, we will see how to install Claude Code Skills and create the Claude Code Agent Skills. So guys, if you want to add the Claude Code Skills in your Claude AI, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply logged in your Claude AI. After complete login, here you see there is a left bar, there is a lot of option it shows, and guys make sure that you are logged in properly. Here this is my mail. After that you simply go and click the option of customize. In the customize section, here you see the option of connect your apps, create a new skill and browse plugins. So we are just click the option of create a new skills. Now here it shows the skills, so the skills that I am recently selected, but if I want to get more skills, so you go here for search. If you know any skill, so you just search, otherwise there is a lot of skills that are already in your in your Claude AI, they are predefined. Okay, like here is the for the agent, this is related to the for agent skills. Okay, when you find the skill, you just like here, if I want browse more skills, so I'm just go here, and here you see that the skill is related to the web artifact, MCP builders, Canva designs and internal commands and learn. Okay, and if you want to create your own skill, so guys you click the option of plus icon, create your skills and create with the Claude, write skill instruction and upload a skill. So guys, upload a skills mean if you get the skills from any like GitHub and you are using someone's skills, so you just drop the folder here and you just use the skill. So this is the way that you can use the skills, browse the skills and create the skills. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.